Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone is signed into the same Google or Apple account. This is essential because the service uses that account to locate devices. Once done, make sure location and an internet connection are active so the device can report its position. Now open the Find My Device or iCloud Find app. If you're on a browser, sign into your account. This immediate step kicks off the device query and shows the approximate location on the map. Next, select the correct device from the list because multiple devices can share one account and choosing the wrong one wastes time. After selection, study the map pin, the accuracy radius, and the timestamp to understand how precise the location is. That explains why sometimes the pin is off by several meters. Then use built-in actions. Ring the phone to help you hear it, lock it to prevent access, or display a recovery message with contact info so a finder can. For final steps, follow the map direction or share the location with a trusted contact to retrieve the phone safely. Make sure you do not confront anyone in a risky situation. If the device appears offline, use the last seen coordinates and the GPS compass in the app to narrow the search, because phones can be powered off or out of coverage. If you still can't find it, check the account login, power status of the phone, and that location services and network access weren't disabled. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.